Hi guys, I'm Aubrey and welcome back to my channel! So in today's video, we will be reviewing this. These are the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna products that I got from my parents. Last year pa to, last quarter of 2017 that I got these products, and medyo matagal na siya and hindi ko pa siya nagamit kasi nga I really want to have a sit down and first impression review of these products. So my parents got this for they didn't tell me how much this was, pero nakita ko to sa Sephora PH na website and it says 1,950 each. So excited kasi nga this is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Kay Rihanna to ng mga products. So if you remember, this were really hype last October kasi nga October niya ni-release itong mga makeup na to. October or late September. At that time, the foundation and the highlighter and the contour products were really hype. So I told my parents to get me this and they got me this nga, pero hindi ko siya nagamit. Hindi ko siya na-review. Ang tagal na. Ano nga ba? Ano naman ngayon? January. So October, November, December, January. So almost 4 months na nandito to sa akin. Hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. So this is the best time for me to review this product para magamit ko na siya. Yeah! So without further kemerut, let us now start with the reviews. Ito yung itsura niya. I know there are already a lot of review videos of this products. Pero kiber na, gagawa pa rin ako ng first impression review ko. So ganito yung itsura ng box. Uniform nga sila ng highlighter. Pero ito muna yung unahin natin. So ganito, tapos merong pa horizontal na Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It says Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. Tapos sa likod, makikita mo yung mga ingredients niya in different languages. Tapos medium, it says here, medium to full coverage for all, long wear, light as air. Wow, I like it. Tapos may iba-ibang language. And then I got the shade 150. So it says here, shake well, in 3 different languages. So isa-shake natin siya. So this is how it looks like. Yan. Sobrang social ng packaging niya. Ang sleek ng packaging niya. Transparent. Parang matte na transparent. Tapos wala siyang masyadong maarte sa bottle niya, which is good. Tapos nandito yung logo niya, Fenty Beauty. And then sa likod, merong shake well in 3 different languages. And then it says 32 ml. It says it's distributed by Kendo San Francisco and then made in Italy. Wow! Yan. So this is matte bottle. Meron siyang plastic cap. Very sturdy ng cap niya. Diba? And meron siyang pump. So, shake natin! Sa baba pala, meron siyang sticker and it says the shade 150 Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation.
So excited to use this. Almost 4 months to na sa akin. Hindi ko man lang siya ginamit.
So, sa ibang reviews na nakita ko sa foundation na to, ano raw siya, matte, super matte, and dapat blend mo na siya agad. Working sections, you work in sections with this kasi ang bilis niyang mag-dry or mag-set. I'm gonna be using one pump. Ooh, wow, thick yung foundation. Hindi siya runny, thick siya. And it doesn't smell anything. Yan, 150 yung shade niya. Dati ka-shade ko to, yung 150, I'm so sure. Dati, last year, kasi nga, last month, ng December, after my wedding, life update guys, I'm already married. Pero sa ibang video ko yun, ichichika. But anyway, last month, nagpunta kami ng beach and I spent a little too much time under the sun, kaya medyo nagtan ako. Char. Medyo umitim ako ng slight. So, ito, I'm pretty sure hindi ko naka-shade, pero kiber na lang. So, we have to work in sections, right? So, dito tayo mag-start. We will blend it with the use of Real Technique sponge. Oh my. Wow! See? Natakpan niya yung redness.
I'm just gonna be putting foundation sa half sa face ko. Half sa face ko muna. Ay, wrong! Ay, God, wala siyang scent, pero meron pala.
Yan. Nag-brighten yung face ko. Wow! Matte talaga siya. I like it kasi hindi siya, wala na siyang sticky feel. Wala na siyang sticky feel. Hindi naman siya powder finish, pero parang velvet finish. Hindi siya super matte kasi hindi naman siya flat matte. Meron pa naman siyang shine. Pero, wow! Wala na siyang hindi siya dewy talaga. Matte talaga siya, oh. Pero hindi pa niya natakpan yung redness pala, oh, all over my face. Pero matte siya. You don't need to set it with powder. So, let's compare it. Ito yung face ko na walang foundation. And then, ito naman yung meron. So, nag-light lang siya. And then, maganda siya kasi parang it's just your skin. Nakikita pa nga yung mga something-something dyan eh. Parang it's just your skin, but better. Yun. So, one full pump na yung medyo nagamit ko dun. And let's try building it up. Kasi, nag-peek through pa yung redness all over my cheeks. Hindi ko siya masyadong marub sa eyes ko kasi another life update, nagpa-eyelash extension ako last month. 1 month na to, kaya ganyan na yung itsura niya. Iba-iba na yung direction ng strand ng lashes ko kasi 1 month na siya. Yan na yung 2 layers. Wow! I think mabibuild up mo siya into full coverage. Kasi kanina meron pang redness, ngayon merong konti. So, that's second layer na sa aking face. Tapos, meron pang natira sa one pump. Let's build that up pa. Tingnan natin kung full coverage ba siya, girl. Yes, it is. It is medium to full coverage. Wow! Wow! Parang it's just your skin talaga, oh. Wala pong powder yan, ha? It doesn't have a sticky feel. Wet yung sponge na ginamit ko. And it doesn't really have a sticky feel. Ang galing! I like. Yan! This is my look. I like it. Sobrang ganda. Parang it's your skin lang, oh. Ang ganda. So, let's put it on the other side of our face para hindi tayo mukhang doble cara. Ang puti niya. So, I use 1 pump of that sa isang side ng face ko with 3 layers. Parang 2.5 kasi konti lang naman yung nilagay ko on the 3rd layer. Pero ito. Yan. Na-enjoy akong iganyan yung face ko kasi parang naglagay na ako ng powder pero hindi pa. Ang ganda! Yan. So, you have to work in sections. Hindi masyadong marami kasi baka mag-dry. Maano. And ang bilis na lang yung blend, ha, in fairness. Ang bilis lang yung mag-blend. I didn't use brush kasi hindi ko talaga gagamay. Parang hindi ko talaga gamay yung gumamit ng brush sa foundation kasi any brush talaga, kahit maganda yung foundation, nagsi-streak siya kasi hindi ako marunong gumamit ng brush sa pag-blend. Mas gusto ko yung sponge. Ang ganda! My gosh, ang ganda ng foundation na to. At ngayon ko lang ito ginamit. Wow! So, this is the foundation. This is 2.5 layers ng foundation. And ito yung itsura niya. Full coverage siya. Parang buildable from medium to full coverage. Super bet ko siya. It's matte, pero hindi siya flat matte. Meron pa siyang dewiness na ganap. And you don't need to set it with powder. Kasi parang ang matte siya, bes. Oh, parang wala, oh. Parang nag-blend na talaga siya skin mo. I thought, isa-set ko pa siya ng powder kasi nga, parang, medyo oily kasi ako, kaya kailangan every foundation na use, kahit pa matte pa yan, siniset ko talaga siya ng powder, any powder. Pero ito, you don't really need to set it with powder kasi nga, parang it's just your skin. but better. I really like this foundation. Bongga! Bongga. Ang bongga ng foundation na to, bes. So, I will just put eyebrows, a little blush, and lipstick, and I'll get back to you guys. So, I'm done with my kilay. So, I used the NYX, of course, I used the NYX Stamen Frame, and then I set it with BYS. And then, hindi na lang ako maglalagay ng blush. I'm just gonna be using my everyday lip look, yung parang gradient. So, first, we will be using this Rimmel London by Kate. And this is in the shade this is in the shade Rossetto. Ilalagay natin siya all over my lips. And then, we will layer it. Lagyan natin yung inner corner of my lips nito. This is my NARS Audacious Lipstick in the shade Chio. And yan lang sa inner corner. And then, we blend it at the top of lips, sa ibabaw ng lips ko. And then, yan yung aking gradient lip look. So, let's proceed with the highlighter. So, ang ganda talaga ng foundation ko. Hindi ako nag-powder, pero parang nag-powder ako. But anyway, this is the box ng Fenty Beauty na highlight. Just the same packaging ng foundation. Mas kita talaga yung Fenty na style. Kasi dito walang Fenty something sa foundation. But dito nakikita yung Fenty. And then it says Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It says Kilawatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo. And then in a different language. And then sa likod, andito yung ingredients. I got my Kilawatt highlighter duo, freestyle highlighter duo in the shade Mean Money and Hustler Baby. Yun. Barcode. And then it says creamy, long-lasting, endless ways to glow. I like it. Yan. In 3 different languages. Tapos it says for cheeks, eyes, or anywhere you wanna glow. Bongga. So, let's open it. Ito. This is the itsura. Wow. Tapos, medyo, siya. Ano nga tawag dyan? Yung nagaganyan. Nag-iiba yung kulay, oh. Ang ganda, no? Parang siyang may shimmer na violet. Ano nga tawag niyan? Basta, yung parang ganyan, oh. Ang ganda. So, the packaging is like that. And then, meron siyang maraming angles. And then, it says Fenty Beauty. In fairness kay Rihanna, ha? The packaging, bongga. And then, sa likod, ang bango talaga ng foundation. Parang, ang foundation yung mabango. Akala ko yung sponge. Yung foundation yung mabango. Yung itsura ng likod, it says Mean Money and Hustler Baby. So, duo siya, kaya dalawa yung shade niya. So, ang ganda ng packaging, tutuwa ako sa packaging. Nag-iiba yung kulay. Holograph. Basta, yung ganun. Yan. And then, when you open it, ganyan yung itsura niya. Meron siyang big size ng mirror. Which is nice. Nakikita yung buong mukha mo. And then, ayan na yung product. Yan. Meron siyang naka-engrave na letter. FB. Parang siyang B, pero FB siya. FB. Fenty Beauty. Meron siyang plastic to cover the So, we will use my Zoeva 129 fan. Ang cute pala nito. Meron siyang Color Love Makeup. Yung Hustler Baby, ganito yung itsura niya. Pang bongga na glow. Pero yung Mean Money, ganyan. Pang daily lang na highlighter. Hindi siya super bongga. So, yung una nating gagamitin is the Mean Money. Ito. Yung pang day. Let's see kung anong itsura niya. In fairness, sobrang subtle lang ng glow niya, oh. Parang, yan. Lagyan natin dito sa ibabaw. Ang ganda! Tingnan natin kung mayroong difference if we use it na siyang ganyan. Wow. Wow, I like it. Parang, if you want yung everyday simple glow, maganda yung me money. I like it. Tapos, lagyan natin sa nose. Diba? Yan, ang ganda, bes. Pang daily lang na highlight, na-amaze ako. Wala akong masabi, kundi ang ganda. Wow, the mirror pala. Oh, merong Fenty Beauty na nakalagay dyan. Ang ganda, ang social. Patungan nga natin ng Hustler Baby. Are you ready to shine? Are you ready? Ooh. Wow. Ooh. 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 Ang bongga, bes. Ooh. Sa ilong. Wow. Parang may pamalit na ako kay Anastasia and Becca. Si Fenty. Ang ganda, bes. Ang ganda naman. Ang ganda. I like it. Hindi ako makaget over. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. So, this is the final look, guys. Ito yung super simple lang na look. Yung parang fresh look lang. Yan. Meron kang glow. And then, meron kang konting kilay and lipstick. Pero the foundation and highlighter talaga is on flick. Grabe. Yeah. Ano ba yung verdict? So, the verdict for this foundation, I love this. Parang hindi ako nag-powder ha. Pero ganyan yung itsura niya. I really like it. I really like it. I like it. I like it. And diba, puti siya sa akin kanina. Pero ngayon, parang nag-blend siya sa aking skin. And maganda siya. Maganda siya, bes. I like it talaga. Ay, wait. Let's do it in a flash photography. Meron siyang white cast, pero hindi tsaka. Hindi siya tsaka. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. I can't wait to use this sa office. Foundation na to, I like it. It is 5/5. Ganda. Ang ganda niya, bes. Ang ganda niya. I recommend this sa mga medyo mga nakaangat-angat sa buhay. Hindi ako nakaangat-angat sa buhay kasi hindi ko naman binili to. Binigay lang sa akin. Pero yung mga can afford dyan, na yung makeup enthusiast dyan, na addict sa foundation, I really recommend this. Lalo na pag oily skin ka, maganda to. Si Fenty Beauty nga pala, ang dami niyang shade. Maluloka ka sa shade niya kasi ang dami-dami niyang color choices, shade choices. Ikaw lang yung mabubuang ng maghanap ng kung anong shade na para sa'yo. And then, for the highlighter, I really love this. I really love this. Parang mapapalitan na si Becca. Parang may reason kung bakit siya nahulog at nabiyak. Kasi kailangan ko na siyang palitan and gamitin ko na si Fenty Beauty. I like it. I like it. This one, para siyang 7/5. Sumobra siya sa 100%. I like it. Sobrang ganda. So, same thing, kung meron kayong pera, you're addicted to highlight, I recommend this. Bilhin nyo to. Kasi hindi kayo magsisisi. Meron siyang pang day, meron din siyang pang bongga, meron siyang pang simple and pang bongga. So, you can't go wrong with it. I like it. So, you buy it. Okay? So, yun lang, guys. I'm just so happy kasi nagawan ko na siya ng first impression review, so pwede ko siyang gamitin. So yun lang, guys. I hope you like my review. Ang haba na. Ewan ko kung paano ko to i-edit. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video, and if you like it, please click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, okay? So see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.